The Big Pitch is a challenge where students come and pitch to a panel of judges how entrepreneurial they are. They have 3 minutes to pitch. They are able to pitch for entrepreneurial work placements, SeedCon funding, a space on the Accelerator programme, mentoring and access to networks and advice.
This is a huge market.
It's a huge market.
That's 11.1 million cats and $8.9 million dogs.
64,000 double-decker buses. 2.35 million undergrad students.
100,000 ticket sales.
We spent a long time researching.
What problem are we trying to solve? This is where we come in.
We're going to make something that people want.
Obviously, huge gap in the market. Why has it not been done?
So the solution is us.
We had thought of 2 possible ways to monetize this project.
Make money while creating convenience.
100% free.
Free accommodation.
And this can be done for as simple as a price of a cup of coffee.
Who doesn't like saving money?
We think combining these things are the key to success.
That's simple.
Why do we need funding? So basically what I need is time.
I would appreciate your support through a business funding of 6,000, 3,000,
3,000,
2,000.
1,000.
4,000.
And the reason I'm here today is because I want to push myself out my comfort zone.
Thank you very much for listening.